So I had this conversation with someone, and I wanted to share with you so I could explain what went down and how we can wrap our minds around it. So we had a conversation talking about nutrition, fitness, etc. And they're like, "Oh, you're one of those nutrition fitness companies that do online work. I've already tried one of those. They don't work." Okay, so two limiting mindsets here. Grouping all nutrition and fitness coaches, programs in the same. And then saying those don't work. So two limiting mindsets, because every single practitioner is different. They offer different mindset, different ingredients, different philosophy, from keto and fasting to more carb types of high intensity workouts, at home workouts. They're all completely different. I'm actually in part of a paid private group. There's dozens and dozens, if not hundreds, of different practitioners. Everyone does something different, even though the deliverables are similar. So if you're going to group everyone together, that's limiting your mindset, and that's something you should understand, because if you're looking for a program that works, you need an open mind.